What is up, guys? McAfee Speed coming at ya, continuing our Hatsan Blitz testing, giving you guys that straight dope on the ammunition game that you guys want to know so much. This time we got the two heaviest ones that I know of, the Seneca Domes and the Seneca Pointeds, also known as Unjins, online for our testing today. We're redoing a lot of this testing for you guys because so many of our videos recently were removed. We definitely want to make sure that you guys have this information available to you so that you can make the best choice possible for ammunition in the Hatsan Blitz platform, guys. We'll be giving you two groups with each ammunition choice and giving you chrony data so you can establish both the FPS average, the foot-pounds of energy, as well as what accuracy grouping you might be able to expect at between 25 and 30 yards. My personal favorite in this specific head-to-head matchup, guys, is the Seneca Domes. I've always had a soft spot for these big 35.8 grain monsters, and we'll see if they can't be successful today in forming a tighter group and better energy than their big brothers, the Seneca Points, guys. Let's get right into this with the Seneca Domes. Good slap down range. 736 feet per second with a 35.8 grain pellet is cooking off some serious steam, boys. Really good down there. Let's move right onto their big brothers, the Unjin or Seneca Pointed in the 43.2 grain configuration, guys. I feel like I could have done more fundamentals-wise to tighten that group. It was actually shocking how accurate that last group was comparatively to the other testing we've done this week, guys. Oh, pulled the group flyer number one for the day. It happens to the best of us. Alright, gentlemen, so we saw something very interesting here. Between these two heavy-hitting pellets from Seneca, we only had one flyer within 20 total shots. If I had to put my money on one of these pellets for a hunting scenario, I definitely would lean more towards the Seneca Domes, just based on the more consistent grouping I saw over two separate groups than I saw with the Seneca Points. Ultimately, you guys will have to make your own decision as far as what you like best and what your rifle likes best, but for me, my money's on the Seneca Domes, guys. I think it's going to be a great place to end today's video, but if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up. You want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe for more with that notifications button so that you can stay current on the channel as well as when new videos come out. If you really like this video, make sure you share it so somebody else can see it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.